Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Instagram Reels lagging on iPhone. So guys, if you're expressing lagging issues with Instagram Reels on your iPhone, don't worry, I will tell you how to get rid of this issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. Lagging issues can occur if your internet connection is slow or unstable. After this, then you have to do is update your Instagram app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your iPhone. Visit the App Store. First of all, visit the App Store and find Instagram. After this, then you have to do check is if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your Instagram to the latest version. After updating the Instagram to the latest version, then what you have to do is restart the Instagram. Close the Instagram app completely and then reopen it. This can help refresh the app and resolve temporary glitches. So simply have to open your Instagram first, then wait, enter your passcode, and then close it and try again reopening it. After this and the issue is not solved, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can clear out background process and improve overall performance. Turn off your iPhone by go to settings, then tap on general, scroll down and tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. Restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do is free up storage space. Ensure that you have enough free storage space on your iPhone. Lack of storage can impact. So guys, lack of storage can impact the performance of app, including Instagram. So you have to make sure that you have enough space to use apps. After this, thing you have to do is check for background apps. Close any unnecessary apps running in the background. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher, and if there is any app that you are not using and that app is consuming on your background, simply try closing them. After this, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Like app updates, system updates can include performance improvement and bug fixes. So you have to go to your settings, tap on general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to do is disable background app refresh. To do this, simply have to go back and go to general, tap on background app refresh, again tap on background app refresh, and if it's unable, then simply consider it disabling it. After trying this all solution, you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do is contact Instagram support. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Instagram support for more specific assistance. They may be aware of any known issue and provide guidance. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.